I'm a little bit concerned because I was not sick and all of a sudden cannot shake this. That's like flu-like symptoms. Da 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 da. Allergic, nose running, eyes watering, everything just water, 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 water. So we're gonna get through this. I'm just gonna do this because I just did it on my other computer. So while it's fresh in my memory, it's a basic, real simple thing. You just use a repo from GitHub to get you going, and then once you have the structure, someone's nice enough to provide it. I forget the gentleman's name, but once you have it, then you can reuse it and then modify it, especially if you're into stickers. This is for people that are sticker addicts like I've become. Not that I was when I was a child. I was totally sticker freak, especially with Hello Kitty. And then my mother threw away my collectible Hello Kitty items that are priceless. Oh, we won't get into that. That really broke my heart. So it's a real simple 7-step process. And I'm just going to read off the 7-step process and then we'll just get into it. It's I already have Android Studio set up. So it will be a lot faster, but I'm going to go through the steps of how to set up this thing. So there's going to be 2 links. Actually, 1 link. Now, you guys are smart enough how to get Android Studio. So you know how to download it. And I know you also know that you have to download the appropriate JDK files. So that's a given. So I'm not going to go through that. Anybody can do this, even if they don't have Android Studio experience, if you follow it step by step. And I am just reiterating what I learned in another tutorial yesterday. So this is not my personal, oh my God, how did you do that information? This is just reiterating it and seeing how actually easy it is. It's basically 7 steps. First, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you have your Android Studio installed. Second step, you're going to download the zip file from the GitHub repo. Number 3, you're going to extract that zip file into a folder, into the path where you want to save your project. And make sure, once again, that your Android Studio is set up properly with appropriate libraries and all the plugins that you need. Now, this is not a tutorial on Android Studio. Hello, because I'm learning it too. I am not an Android Studio expert. Thank you very much. Learning. But I have done quite a few projects in it, so I'm getting better. That's basically importing stuff that's already set up and then just modifying it slightly and then exporting it. Like analyzing APK files is great in Android Studio. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to import project. You're going to create a new project, but you're going to do it through the file import project setting. And then what you're going to basically do is you're going to select the extracted zip folder. That's the app project. You're going to pull that into Android Studio. Then what essentially you do next is you're going to change 2 instances of the package name that have to be changed so the actual app will run. Now, making it super fancy and nice and adding other activities, you can worry about that later. This is just to get it up and running. So once again, the 5th step is you're going to be changing the package name in 2 instances. One is going to be in the example file, and then second is going to be in the sample sticker app file. And I'll show you that right now. But first things first. So what I did is I went into where my Android Studio projects are. Now there's 2. There's APK projects and the Android Studio projects. And I always get the 2 confused, but hopefully you guys are not as confused as I usually am. That would probably help us all out. So I made a little folder. It's called WhatsApp Sticker Club. That's the name of my app. And inside of it, and now there will be a link in the description. Only if you guys, only if you request it. If you gotta watch this video, you gotta subscribe. If you want to do it, then I will post it in the link if you subscribe or you request it. That's the only way I'm going to post it in the link, because you can find it so easily for free. But I need subscribers. Hello. Okay, so there's nothing in there. So it's empty, blah, blah, blah. So over here in my downloads is the zip folder called Stickers Master Zip from GitHub. So what I do is I bring that folder into here, copy it into my Android Studio Projects WhatsApp Stickers Club folder, and just drag it in there, copied it. That was my downloads folder, so we can close that now. Bring this over here. Then, I mean, it's simple as pie. Now, a lot of people use WinRAR. I don't like it because of a weird thing that happened where it automatically archived, and then there was a lock password key generated, and I couldn't uncompress the archive. It got real complicated, but it's a great app. But I like 7-zip. So all you do is just go to 7-zip, and I choose extract here and look at all the other choices, but just keep it simple. And then boom, boom, boom. Okay, so, and then in there, if you open it, is your Android app. See? And it has iOS too. Native. I'm just kidding. I am not that funny that I think I am. Okay, so I purposely hid the icons because they really drive me nuts and they're confusing. So now that it's unzipped in there, now we can go into Android Studio and do the steps. So let's see, now where's my Android Studio? We go into there. I just type in it's already in stripped or pinned. Oops, I mean stripped or pinned. What? I said strip. I mean pin. I mean what? Okay, so we're going to open up Android Studio, and it's going to open up. Now this is great because I've been wanting to do sticker apps forever. So I've already set up a project, and I'm going to, that doesn't have no activity or no nothing, but I just called it what I wanted to, and was messing around with things that I don't really know what I'm doing, just lollygagging. And I don't give myself enough credit, because I did publish an app on Play Store, but it got taken down. But that's a long story. Anyways, I don't really know how to do all this stuff. I do it by learning and watching and studying, and that's how it gets done. So everything is practice. There's no 100% right, and there is 100% wrong. I can guarantee you that. So what it's just going to load the sticker project that was already loaded, and this doesn't have a working APK. It has nothing working at all. It's just a spine, a skeleton of the project. But what I can do is show you what you're going to be doing with that zip file. And I learned this from a dude that was on YouTube doing a WhatsApp sticker video. And how millions of the tutorials have you seen on YouTube about WhatsApp stickers? It's almost... I made purposely an app called Not WhatsApp Messenger, but I don't know if that won't get published in Play Store. Obviously, it might go in the Android market, or just give it to my friends for free, because I don't charge for none of this. It's all free. So it's doing the Gradle thing, and let's see if I need updates, if it's going to, if the Gradle is going to do successfully, because apparently there's something weird about my computer. It doesn't want to get up to Gradle 6.4 on my other real cheapo laptop. Android Studio was running perfectly. The Gradle loaded perfectly. I didn't have to change that many settings, and it's like the Gradle builds in like a second. Like I did a test version of the sticker app. It looks, oh my god, whoever made the app, dude, is not an artist. How could you load ugly stickers of a coffee and have this little ugly sticker as your app icon? I couldn't believe it. I was like, wow, this is what I've been needing. And I know it's been out there, but I've just been avoiding it because I have so many other things to do. But the stickers were, oh my god, you'll see. Anyway, so my Android Studio is set up with a project called Deluxe Stickers for You. And this is my first empty activity main. So I would like to make a nice splash screen, and maybe I can do that and still build this app. Now here, there's already an app, right? So I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if this is going to work. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click there. Now, we're going to start the steps. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to go File. I'm just clicking on that app area. Why I clicked it, I don't know. I want to see if this is going to work. So I go to File, Import. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Import project. Okay, right? And then we know it's in Android Studio projects. Okay, so it should be called WhatsApp Sticker. There it is. And then there should be an app in there called App. Android app. There it is. You see that? So I just see the little green Android buggy thingy. So I just click on it, right? And I think we're learning together. So when I say I think, you think too. So let's think. And then we say, okay, and see what happens. Let's see what happens. It provided a whole new project. So it didn't import it into the activity like I wanted it to. So you see my stickers for you, empty activity right there. And then you see over here, it's just a new project. Boom, boom. So that didn't work. Okay. So this is a good README file. We're not going to go through a README file while you're watching me read me. I'm going to read you through voodoo. So it's a good thing, though, to read. I would suggest reading this because it's just a basic layout, and the developer was nice to share this free because it's so popular right now. And maybe you become the next super sticker maker besides all these WhatsApp stickers, and maybe we can take WhatsApp down. WhatsApp will take them down. So I'm just going to close that little README, right? And we're going to go straight into the project. So here to your left is your project. And I use the light theme because the dark theme, it starts to get so confusing with the dark backgrounds. So I'm switching to light even though my eyes hurt. So it's loading, so we'll give it a chance. So we did step 4, which is import the project. Okay. And now we're going to start the renaming of the project. Wow, it's taking a long time to load. Why? I know why. It's because I think I loaded way too many SDKs. I think I did, and they take up a lot of space. And I think you only need when you're submitting an app, I think you have to have the latest API, obviously, and the minimum you choose to target your minimum SDK. So usually people pick Marshmallow because it'll work on 95% of devices, and now it's Android 30, so people are targeting 29 and 30. Gradle Sync 2 minutes ago. So all this stuff was happening, but we didn't see it happening. So what I do is I just hit the terminal button and that will pop up to see. Okay, so nothing, no fail. Is the Gradle, okay, it's still spinning. So we'll see what the error messages are in a second. And if there's no error messages, then that's a good thing. It's a clean project, like it was in my other laptop that I just have it open in. But I made a silly text change syntax, and now I can't get it to build the APK. Like, I can't fix the error. I can't find it. I don't know how to change it. I would have to submit it, and I don't know how to do that. I don't like GitHub. I'm not a repo person. I don't know anything about repos. I don't like branch. I don't like sharing my projects with other people and doing group projects. No, that's not really me. But you have to kind of submit to GitHub because I guess it's mandatory in certain projects and apps. So you have to kind of work with it. I've had weird experiences with GitHub. People sending me really neat information based on some research that I'm doing for VirtualBox. And like they sent me the Spaghetti Mac OS VirtualBox, which is a pushbox VM portable that you just press a button and it installs Mac OS. And it's a GitHub called Spaghetti Mac OS. And I just I got the data somehow sent to me of how to do it, and then I never followed through. Why is this still spinning? Sync started 4 minutes ago. But why? Why is it doing that? Oh boy, it is installing more SDKs than needed. I knew that. Preparing install Android SDK build. Okay, so let's just see what's going on. Checking the license for the package, SDK build tools. Licensing for the package, SDK is accepted. So it's preparing install Android SDK build tools. Okay, oh, so I don't have SDK. So remember I said usually when people are building apps nowadays, they're targeting a minimum like probably 29. Well, here, this one is 28, which is acceptable. And that's what the app was built in. And this is not a new WhatsApp sticker pack, how to do it. This is like the old school original. This is just to get a sticker app for WhatsApp that works. This is old. So that's why it's targeting 28. Build successful in now. Everything is perfect. Plugins are updated. Android Gradle plugin is ready to update. Let's do it. I love it when it's smooth like that. But if you keep on top of your updates, everything will work great. So it's taken a while to get to what we need, but this is part of the process. So a good way to always see what's going on is in your terminal view. Now, if I was to just click this, it will drop it. I can go to the terminal. I can go to the to-do list, the build. I like to see what the build, because then you know exactly. It's kind of like the verbose log. See exactly what's going on. So that's what it was doing. So Android Gradle is ready to update, and I already clicked update. So let's see if it's doing it. It's probably doing it, and I started a second instance of it. I'm just going, this is the project I want to work on. I want to finish it. I want to make it super cool. Like something you've never seen. Okay, so is it doing it or not? It says it's ready to update. So when you see green and no red, that's a good thing. That's why we're going green today with everything on lean. Okay, so let's update it. Here we go. To take advantage of the latest features, improvements, and security fixes. We strongly recommend the Android Gradle plugin. I've been trying to do that forever. And simply because I imported a cloned repo, now the Gradle is going to install correctly. I've been using Android Studio for 3 years or 2 years now. And I've had regular Android updates regularly. I have not updated it and has not given me this option before. Why? Now I'm pointing that out and I'm raising my voice because it makes me very upset because I've been trying to get to the correct Gradle forever, and there was a problem way back when. And Android has fixed it now, and Gradle is easier and it is working. Like, it will download automatically. They really, really patched that thing. Because let me tell you, the Gradle thing is complicated, and it's the meat and the bones. Oh my god, finally. Because if you don't have the Gradle installed correctly, you cannot bundle, build an APK package. Now if you're going for the whole place or store presence thing, then you want to bundle your packages because it reduces the file size, and you can do split APKs and bundle APKs, and if your Gradle is not right, it will always give you the error message, need to upgrade to Gradle version. Okay, so it's still spinning. Thank God. So I've been at 3.6.2 for like 2 years. It's already at 6.4, and it's just now because I have a clean project from GitHub. Thank you, GitHub. Because of you, now we have the correct Gradle going to install correctly. Now, I was still able to export Android APKs and build them and like assign them, but because I didn't have any main activities and it was just an APK that was just being signed and built and debugged, it wasn't like doing much programming type shit. It was just going through the processes. But now, because there is some programming in here, it's configuring projects now. Now, because of this Gradle thing, it's going to be syncing all my stuff correctly. Wow, that's great. So that is so cool. Clean module and clean idea. And IntelliJ is incorporated into this now. Really, well, I think it always has been. But IntelliJ works really good with this. They got the clean module, the clean idea file, the bundler, the analytics debugging unit, the release unit. So you got by default now 2 like builders or configures. You can like do a release, or that's you're gonna publish your app, or just a test, and then but it keeps it in separate directories, which is nice. That's kind of built into the Gradle. Okay, so we got what we needed, which is the quote unquote build successful in 2 minutes. So if you look down here, everything is synced and built. And now we can go to, we're halfway there. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is called changing the package name. Okay, so we have to change the package name in 2 places of the app. And this is very important. If you got to do this for it to work correctly. So you open your little thing. Now for viewing purposes and because I am blind, I can't take this. So I have to make the font bigger. And how you do that is you go into settings. I'm going into the global settings now. I can't see a darn thing. And I probably should be using Darkula, but I'm not worrying about it. So the default is size 12 IntelliLight. So I'm just going to leave it there. But I'm going to use custom font. I'm going to make this motherfucker 18 so I can see. Now this might mess everything up, but at least it's bigger. We can see what is going on. I can always change it back to 12. It's not going to mess up any design problems. Okay, so now we have to change the package name in 2 places. So we open the app folder with your little mouse there. You go to your Java folder. Boom, and here it is. You're going to right click on this gray folder that says com.example.sample sticker app. You're going to right click on it. Okay, right click. Then you're going to get this submenu, and what you want to choose is refactor. So we scroll down to here one more. Come on. Okay, scroll down to refactor. Click on it. Scroll some more, and we're going to hit rename. So now you want to name it the package you want it to be. So remember, you're in the com.example.samplesticker.app. Now this is your chance to name it what you want. So I'm going to be calling it WA. And even though it's the same in my other, I'm just going to be calling it this. But there's 2 things. You should not make the 2 instances identically named the same. I'm pretty sure. Now, I could be wrong. So don't listen to what I'm saying. Just name your package. Now, I forgot the name of it already that I was supposed to call it. I'm just going to call it WhatsApp Stickers Pro. Just for whatever, for kicks and giggles. And then what you want to do, okay, so you guys are following along, I know you are. These 2 have to be selected. The search in comments and strings and search for text occurrences. So that's, now it might say unacceptable. If we get red, then you have to change how you name the package. They're particular, but most of the time they want you to name it really wacky, because the more unique, the better. So I'm going to hit refactor. Now you do this twice. You hit refactor once. It's looking for the usages in the app. Okay, and then you scroll down to we're in the lower half here. It says occurrences found in comment strings and non-code files. 4 occurrences, 2 files, 4 usages. So what you do is, oops, I messed up. You gotta go down again, scroll down. You have to hit refactor again. Now, it's hard to see, but where my mouse is, it says do refactor. You click on it, do it. Bam. Done. Okay. Now, that's the first instance. The next instance, there's actually 3 instances. You have to do it in the Gradle too. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to check back. But the next thing we do is we open the arrow to the com example.whatsapp stickers pro. And then we go to sample sticker app. Where is it? Wait a minute. Sample sticker app. Where is that? It's not in the Java. I think it's in... Oh my god, there's more stickers in here than what? Ew. Why are the Cuppy stickers still there? I gotta get rid of them. I got my stickers in here, but I didn't put those stickers in there. That's weird. Okay, the first instance where I had to change the name was in Com Example. So we did that, and that worked. Now we got Gradle Sync is done. Now I gotta check something. So hold on, because I can't find the next instance. Okay, so it should be right here. It should be called Sample Sticker App. I'm just going to rename it, whatever, do the same thing again. So you go to Refactor, Rename, WhatsApp Sticker Pro, Search and Content String, Search for Text and Occurrences, Scope, All Places, Refactor. Oops, that's not where we wanted to go. Okay, we already did that. So why can't it find the other space? Okay, I'm not going to worry about that too much. We changed the package name. That's the most important part. Now, what wasn't in this before was folder 1 and 2. Well, actually, it was there. But this is where you have a second folder already pre-made out for you to add your stickers. But we have to do a few things with the code to get things to work correctly. So in your assets is where you keep your pictures. So in folder 1 is copies of the ugly stickers I don't want. I'm going to get rid of that. You can add your own stickers there, but in folder 2 are these stickers. Let's see what they look like. Try to open externally to fix the format. They are WebPs. Why is it not loading a WebP? Double check working from home. Oh my god, these are my stickers. Somebody put this in my app already. Somebody remotely, because this this is a compressed GitHub. There's no way my stickers got into this app because I just decompressed it from the compressed file. How are my stickers in there? I did not even import them, and it's not loading them because these are my, I can tell by the name of them. These are from my creative stickers library of my Bitmoji stickers. We'll do this together, WebP. What is going on? Are you okay? No, I'm not okay. Why can't the WebPs open? Okay, we'll figure that in a second. So those are where the stickers are, but we have to change some code. So just hang in there. I know this is taking forever. I said it was real easy and fast, but I'm going through each step as we should. So where is this other folder? What am I not seeing? There's a menu that's being hidden for me. Is it this one? No, it's not it. No, it's not sticker pack. It's not sticker. I swear the doctor injected me with COVID. I'm waiting for the internet people to come install. So I'm burning incense and lighting candles and waiting for Mediacom to get here to install some new internet. Cheaper. Okay, I'm not going to trip out on the subliminal things that are happening as we speak because I can't explain those forces that be. Everyone knows that I'm a sticker freak and I have tons of stickers, and you will see them eventually. But now we have to get to the meat and potatoes. And I am not Android master. I just wing it, and I do it by watching others. But this is such a great repo that this person, I would love to give him credit, but I don't know his name. Whoever you are, thank you for your repo, Mr. GitHub Sticker Pack. What's up, Sticker Man? Okay. And then my mouse is not working all of a sudden on the other computer. So there's two places. Now what's missing is in this Java here, the common example's there, but the sample sticker pack is missing. It's just supposed to say sample sticker pack. And it's probably because this sample sticker pack is no longer existent because there's already some of my stickers in there. And if I open them, I'll show you in Explorer. That's what I'll do. You'll see that they're my stickers. Oh, no, they're not, actually. They are from... Ew! These are from WhatsApp. Android Studio projects. No, we're going to... See, now, you know what's really weird? Okay, this shows you how much power WhatsApp has. I opened this same repo on my other laptop, and it did not have the sticker library in here. I had to create the second library with assets, and I put my own stickers in there. That's on the other computer. I can't get it to build. I have an error somewhere. So now I copied the exact same file, you guys. I did not modify the zip file, I promise. So I uncompressed it here in this Android Studio, and now all of a sudden it has Android Studio. What now? These look like stickers that are made by WhatsApp designers. Like these are not made from your public. Like they implanted this. They want their shit so all over. Like they're branding WhatsApp so deeply into your skin that they somehow, in the interim of creating a WhatsApp sticker, because well, it gets complicated when you're a Google developer and you're doing stuff. There's always remote tests going on. So anytime you run your app, you know how many times if you know about anything about analytics, then you know how many times you installed it, you know how many times you clicked to build it, and did this and that. All those things are being tracked, managed, and whatever. So I can replace all these. So just remember that in your assets folder where your sticker libraries are going to be, it's usually minimum of 3, maximum 30, but that can vary depending on what kind of app you're doing. I think, I don't know if there's like five. I don't go by rules. I go by what I do what I want to do, and I try to be cordial about it and smart and respect other people's rules that are global rules, but I don't go by everybody else's rules. I'll just say that very bluntly. I kind of go cut corners a little bit just for time's sake, not to be cheap, but for time's sake, because I'm so pressed for time. So sometimes I have to jump corners. We have to go through hoops and, take use an airplane instead of a car to get to where we have to go. Do you know what I'm saying? And I sound nasally because I can't breathe and I'm sucking on lemons and honey to try to get this whatever this doctor injected. I swear they injected COVID in me. In this flu shot, they gave me the flu. Oh, wish I could edit this down to make this tutorial more interesting, which I probably will because we're live streaming. I didn't know I can. I always want to turn on music, but I'm getting sidetracked. I can't focus. Okay. So in there are some WhatsApp stickers that we don't want that I'll deal with later. And then here, now these are what the developer made. This is the stickers that that the GitHub dude. These are what he loaded into his sticker app. Dude, that's it? Come on. I love you, bro, but come on. Wait till you see my stickers are out there. My stickers are going to be, I don't even know if I'll be able to get published because they're going to be out of control. Because I do crazy shit. Everything you're not supposed to do. I'm listening to my Indian guru. Hold on 1 second. Why is my mouse not working? Is it really that obvious? I mean, fuck, why is my mouse not working? I don't get it. Okay, so if you try to run it, the error comes the if clause. Okay. So what I'm going to do before I get into changing the code, I'm just going to tackle this head on. You can jump around, and I am jumping around. Now, the other instance where we have to change the app name, I can't figure that out right now. So we'll have to come back to that. Um, sorry, can't answer that. I don't know why. I'm just going to close all this stuff out, and what I'm going to do is do what I did just a minute ago. So just remember, like, if you start to study this project structure in the Android app, if you know the assets, the res, the bitmap, the Java folder, the manifest file, the Gradle, just those basic components, if you really memorize those and the hierarchy, you don't have to know Java per se, but yes, you should learn Java, obviously. But if you don't know, and I'm one of from those people that like I freak out over languages, I'm trying to learn them, and I am really terrible. I'm not good at it. I hate to admit it, but I'm just not. That's just not my forte. My forte is graphics, so I have to learn this stuff. So if you think about it in components and like pieces of a puzzle, you might be able to grasp it a little bit faster than being so focused on learning the syntax of how to write Java. You can still learn Android Studio in pieces and components and learning basic parts that anybody can understand, even if you don't know code exactly. This is the beauty of this app is that it shows you the code. You can learn how to code. You can code. You can see the inner workings of how apps are made, and this is a good way to learn. It's just really helpful. So I'm going to go back in the assets folder is usually where your image files are. That's called assets. So I'm going to delete those and replace them. And for sticker apps, it's usually WebP. So what I'm going to do is now do this. I'm going to make a note of that folder. And then I'm going to open like 3 more folders. So, okay, that's in the project. So I don't want to get confused. So what I'm going to do is come into... Now, where are my images? Oh, they're on the drive. I need to open... Oh, I need to go back though to there, though. Go back. Go back. Okay, so what I have to do is this. This is... Oh, this drives me nuts. I have to go to my drive. Where is it? Now I have to click on this and open that in a new window. Come on, right click. Open new window. I think it's because I'm really completely out of RAM and space. I think I've pushed my limits, not even realizing that I probably have nothing. That's why the computer's acting so weird. Oh my gosh. Come on, don't do this to me now. My USB drive is acting weird. Ugh! It's really pissing me off because okay, open in new window. Okay, so I'm doing this because this is going to make it easy for me to transfer files. So when I have it like this, and I know exactly. Now, I wish Windows would figure out a way to make this process smoother with like just tapping and then having like slides of windows opening. I don't know. Okay, so this is assets too. So what I'm going to do is just enter some stickers into there, my own stickers, and then what I'll do is I'll delete what's in there, take them out. So let me see if I have a folder of stickers on this particular USB drive. I'm going to save my one sticker pack, the Hollywood trash stickers, for the other folder. So let me find some other stickers. Here we go. I got tons of, I got so many stickers. It's ridiculous. Oh, God. Let's see. Where are they? But they might. These are APKs. Those are icons. APK icons. APKs. APKs. Barbie clips. What's in there? I have Barbie pics. Those are JPEGs. I need WebPs. So let me search in here for WebP, because I got so many files. I mean, so many image files that it's hard to find the folders in like 16,000 images super fast. We want to search in. We want to search. Oh my God. Come on, just. Oh my God, don't tell me I have no WebPs in this drive. This is my main backup. Oh, duh. It has to be .webp. Okay, there they are. Okay, so stickers master. So we got those. Where's mine? Here's my stickers. You see right there? See the libraries pop up? Okay. Boom. Okay. Okay. That's what I needed. That's what I needed. Where are they? That's what I needed. Where is this at? So what I'll just do is open file location. Open file location. And then that will show me where the folders. Okay. There they are. Okay. Why is it in APK Editor Pro? Why is my library pack in there? Oh my God. Oh God. No, 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 no. That's not what I want. Okay. See, it opened them in packs, but now they're in folders as a individual file within. Oh. Sticker. What is that? What is this? Hold on a second, you guys. Okay. I'm just going to. So there's 162 items. Watch this. I'm just going to do this, and I probably should not do this. They're WebP files. No, I can't do that. I can do this though. I'll do it like this because those are folders, but these are actual WebPs. So if I do this, okay, now I'll just do that to make it simple. So there's 152 items. They're all there. Oh, I know why. Because they're a bunch of all mixed up stickers. They're my stickers and mixed up other pack stickers. So we'll just take. I'll just like highlight 30 or something like that, and then I'll take them into this folder. So I'll just go like this. How do I do this now? Let's view as medium icons, and I'll just go like this. No. I'll just go like this. Okay, so how many is that now that are selected? Does it say? God damn it. So do you see why I'm doing it this way, you guys? Because this way, you see, because if I try to do it like the computer people do it, where they, just move files and folders without no interface, no desktop. They just CD files to different folders and paths, and they know how to change directories and all that shit. I don't know how to do that. So how many items did I select? I don't know. I'll just go down into here. I'll just do that, and then what I'm going to do is drag them into here. And because they're 48, oh well, whatever. And because they're WebPs, we know they're going to work. And then what I'm going to do is take out the other folders that I don't like. And how we will do that, make it easy, is I'll go to View, I'll move a list, okay. Now, because I renamed, because I'm trying to watermark every single image and sticker, anything that digital file, whatever it is, a pack, a file, a folder, an image, a document, an app, a color, I'm trying to watermark every single thing I do because another sticker developer already stole some of my stickers that I made with the app they provided for free on Play Store. They stole my main, what do you call it? It's kind of like a logo image from another app that I made, put it in their sticker app and made a mock-up for Play Store. And they have like maybe 80 apps. They're called Vaporwave stickers. And then they took some of my stickers that I made with their sticker apps because I modified their apps to use how I want them. And I didn't publish them. I just make stickers for me. They modified, but they took my artwork and it looks like they're trying to publish a modified sticker app with my artwork because I make a lot of stickers every day. And I was really pissed about that. And I have proof of it. I have pictures and I have to report it to Google, but I don't have time for that shit. Whatever. I'm not gonna fight over it. This is all for free for you. I'm not gonna be charging for any of this stuff. And that's not why I do this. I'm not trying to be rich on Play Store. Give me a break. Now, if I get successful and have an app that gets downloaded and then maybe I want to charge for something special, I will, but no, that's not what I'm in it for. Okay, so how we know is because I renamed all of mine based on my little logo brand, whatever that I've created for myself. So these are WebPs. We can delete those. We're going to leave that PNG folder and then replace that PNG file because it's obviously needed for a reason. So I'm going to delete those, right? Are you sure you want? Yeah. Okay. So now we're just going to leave that open like that. We got some stickers in my folder in Android Studio, I should say. We took some of those out. So maybe we did it in, yeah, we did that in folder 2. I wanted to do it in folder 1, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. I think I need to transfer all to folder 1 because folder 1 is what shows up in the app. But I want to know what that PNG is. Oh, but see, there's only one PNG. And I think the PNG represents the picture on the sticker folder, not the icon of the sticker pack. Now, do you see where I'm saying? I'm just going to leave that. But what I want to do is get rid of these cuppies. Now they're all WebP, so I'm going to just highlight them all. I'm holding down Shift on a PC computer. And see, oh, it's a tray PNG. We can replace that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete them. Save, delete with, yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to go into folder 2. I'm going to take everything except for that PNG. I'm going to highlight it down to here. I'm going to Control C, copy, and come up back to folder 1, open it. No, I'm sorry, go like that. I'm going to right click on it, just hit paste. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Now they're in that folder. So I have them duplicated. That's okay. I don't care if they're duplicated. We just want to see stickers. Now what I'm going to do is change this tray icon. Now I haven't been able to figure out how to just replace the file. So if I right click on it, how do I just replace it? New file? If I hit new file, it's going to just have a new text file. You see what I'm saying? So how do you replace it like I just did the others? Because this is a different file type. It's just .png. Now I can do this easily in APK Editor, which is an Android app. But in Android Studio, it's not as fast as just copying and pasting. So we'll just leave it like that. But what I want to do is add my special sticker folder, which is and I'm going to put it in the number 1 app, is my Hollywood sticker. So I'm going to see how I have my desktop on the right. I'm just going to go like this, minimize Android Studio, go back to where my folders are, and I'm going to add a different pack of stickers, which is the Hollywood trash, stardom trash stickers, which are going to be popular. La 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 la. I'm going to probably get in trouble for that. So I think they're on this drive. Creative app stickers by, yeah, Hollywood. I think this is Hollywood. Yeah, Hollywood trash. Okay. So I now go back to, that's the name of my first sticker pack. Hollywood trash stardom. Okay. So I pull this over just a little bit. So what I'm just going to do is, oh, these are PNGs, but we can convert them to WebPs. Watch this. Don't worry about the file types. So just grab your stickers. I'm going to grab them. Now why is it exactly 48, just like the other folder we were just in? It was exactly 48. That doesn't make any sense. Somebody's fucking with me. So I'm right clicking. I'm hitting copy. Maybe because they are helping me protect my brand. Copy. Now I'm going back into folder 1 and I'm going to replace them. But I'm not going to open the folder. I'm just going to right click on that gray folder icon and hit paste. Yes. Refund. Yes. Okay. So now we have all these stickers in here. We got too many. I don't want to show you all my stickers. Ah! I mean, basically, they're just reused stickers from other apps, but that's okay. You get stickers from everywhere. Everybody copies from things from everything. Maybe I'll just leave them all in here. I might get in trouble for this Hollywood sticker pack, but I didn't get permission, but I made so it's technically my artwork because I made it, right? Everybody makes artwork from pieced together, stitched images, right? Okay, so we'll just leave that there. Okay, now we still have to rename that other sample pack thing. I don't know where that's at, but we at least got stickers in there. How it looks, I'm not going to worry about that. We want to get to the part of running it. So what we have to do is run it to fix the error that we're going to get. Now, we might not get the error because I'm following a really old sticker app tutorial that probably has been patched, and I'm I'm trying to fix some errors that don't even exist. In my case, that's probably most likely true. So anyways, let's just build it and see what happens. Now that's impossible. It just says that it built and it was successful in 2 minutes and 13 seconds. It didn't take 2 minutes to build that. I know it didn't build that. That's impossible. We have no errors. Gradle Sync just finished. Let's build. Make project. Do we want to make it? Okay, there it is. Now it's building. Failed. Error. Yep. You can configure Gradle app to use, oops, distribution with sources. It will. Okay, yes, I love these suggestions because it fixes the problems for you. You can configure Gradle wrapper to use distribution with sources. Yeah, that's what we need because it did not work. Okay, apply, and this will probably fix. It's going to fix. Yeah, it's going to fix. Watch. It's downloading Gradle 6.5. It's importing the Gradle project. 145.77 megabytes, which is not that much. But it's going to fix this error. Watch. And might not have to rename that second part. Okay, now it's downloading something else. So we have 2 instances. Why is it download twice? It downloaded services Gradle.org distribution Gradle 6.5.all zip twice. Now, why is it importing it twice? Okay, now it's building. Let's see what happens. Configuring projects, building model. Look how fast. Up to date. And successful in 8 seconds. What's up? We're gonna beat you at your own game. You are no longer going to dominate the sticker market. It's going to be completely independent. WhatsApp is going to just be WhatsApp, communication, messaging app. It's not going to be, we are the sticker app of the world. I'm determined to defeat WhatsApp. Okay, so those little suggestions, and I wouldn't know how to have fixed that if I don't have the error suggestions. So that's the beauty of how Android like 4.0 has really improved since 3. A lot of new embedded features that help you, especially the build Gradle features that they've incorporated that are faster and, and import faster, and your ability to configure the JDK real quickly. You don't have to worry so much about doing all the command line based JDK and Java installations and having to reset your Java variables if you're not really familiar with how to do that, and having worrying about if you're using open source Java or if you're using the JRSE from Oracle, the runtime service environment, or if you're using the Java development kit. Okay, let me shut up. Okay, so now that it built it successful, now I'm going to open an emulator, but I haven't had success with the emulators because there is a program called a plugin called HatchM. I think it's called HatchM. It's an Android plugin that you use to speed up the emulator, and I think most people use it as standard, but for some reason I can't get it to install or run properly, and I haven't been able to have the Androids run properly. Now, one of my tablets, the Samsung USB drivers for debugging works, but I have since then lost one of the usage of one of my tablets. I don't even want to mess with that. We'll try the emulator. I'm going to try that. Let's see. Open the AVD manager and see if we can get it to run on this. I mean, it never turns on. I don't get the emulator thing. Like, It's always has problems. It's not okay. What is this? Lock. It's locked. It's already running. See, that's my point. It's already running. I don't even know. Where is it? It's already running, but I don't see it. Maybe it's in the other. Okay, so this is the other project. We're not working in that project right now, but we will be. We are in. Let me just close that window. Where did I just close the wrong folder? Okay. Okay, so well, it says that it's already running. Maybe. Oh, I know why. Because it's on the other screen. My bad. My bad. It's on the other screen, which is not in view. Okay, so we'll just bring it in screen. Sorry. Okay, system UI is not responding. Of course, it's never working. Come on, at least it turned on this time. It doesn't. It's not turning on my other laptop at all. And I was trying like the full and the choices for the emulators are really weird. They're like really oddball phones that not everybody uses. Why don't they just have the most used Android device as their emulator? Why do they have all these weird, funky, weird shit that doesn't work? Like the fucking flip or the what's that flop Samsung flip. Virtual device. Okay. Okay, so we can close that. This is, let's see this. Let's rejar it. Let's get this running. No, we don't want to close the app. Yeah, we do. We'll try to open it again and see if it'll work on there. But now, okay, remember I told you there are some errors that we have to fix? Well, guess what? You guys, there are some errors we don't have to fix because we're using the most updated version of Android Studio, and the time that video was made was probably 2 years ago. They have since then fixed some things that we would have had to fix in the code that I didn't find any problem in the build. So if you have a successful build from the Gradle and there's no errors, that means that the app is running fine. Now, whether we can see it or not is another question. Now, I know. Why can't I just close it? I know what I have to do. Oh boy, I know what I have to do. I have to save this, and I don't have enough room. Save all. Gradle build failed. Oh, it did fail. But here it says it was successful. No, build failed in 3 seconds. And no, where's that error message? Why is that not in the event log? Do you see do you see that? So down here, where the little, you can't, it's hard to see. God, I hate the way they design this shit. Where very crucial information is at the bottom, you can't see shit. It's running slow. There's something wrong. I have too many apps running. Maybe I have to turn off OBS. We're not turning off this stream until we finish. Oh, it's because I'm streaming on 2, I think. Oh my god. This app better not. Okay, there's the error. It just now caught up. Okay. Okay, now I take that back. Yes, there are errors. And it just took a while for it to catch up. So now uh, we're going to try to attack those and see if we can fix them. Remember I said there was 2 instances where you have to change the package name, and they don't have to be identical, but they do have to be changed. Okay, so where that is in one instance. It's going to be in this if statement. We don't need it. We're going to have to delete it. That's where the error is. Check debug one error. There's two errors actually, but from what I learned in my error message from the video, that's what is going to be deleted, because we already, we told them what the default configuration name of the package is going to be here. We called it com.example.wa-stickers-pro. Okay, fine. Okay, so what it's saying here is the execution failed for task app check debug. Your application ID is currently com.example. Please change your application ID to a different string in app build Gradle. Okay, so this is the next part that I was looking for that I couldn't find. So we go to app build Gradle, wherever that is, right? Line 10. So we have to go to line 10. No, that's fine. I want it to be labeled that. Oh, not com.example. Let's fix it. Oh. Let's just do this. We'll do it this way. Refactor first and then rename. And we did do that, so it's not com.example. Let's try this again. Project files, project source files, all places. Why is it not doing that in the scope? Okay, so it's already done that. Okay, so maybe we have to change. Okay, your application is currently com.example. Please change your application to a different string in line 10. Okay, so we just have to change the name to, I'll just change it to this. I'm going to go like this. I'm just going to take out that com and .example and that be it. Now we have to resync it. Let's see if that will work. That's not going to fix it though. It's still red. There's no way. Okay. Where's the error? Come on. Show me the error. I changed the name to not com.example because that was the example. We're supposed to remove that syntax, and I didn't do that. So we're learning together. God, why is the computer that's cheaper 40 times faster than my more expensive computer, which is not even that expensive. It's just like $1,200, but for me that's expensive. It took a 5 years to save money for it. Anyways, my point is, it's the other cheap $200 HP is faster than this. Okay, so they're demerging debug resources. It's doing stuff in the background. It failed though. It's because of this Facebook thing. Package name. This doesn't like my package. Oh, it needs a dot character. Merge debug resources. Hold on, it's still running. Maybe it will get over that shit. Right? Errors. Okay. No compress. Okay. What now? Manifest merger failed with multiple errors. Okay. Build failed. Okay, what is it? 9 actionable tasks executed. Package name W is position Android manifest should contain at least 1 dot. Okay, that's fine. Where's this? What's that? Okay. Okay, let's do this. I'm just going to do it com dot. Enter. No. Control Z. Think now. Did we get a successful build? There's no way. There is no way. It says build successful in 5 seconds. That's usually how it's supposed to go. The sync is finished. I don't see any red. Task prepared, build script module up to date. So the bundle, the clean idea module, the clean idea, that's all IntelliJ stuff. Idea, IntelliJ, bundle, the analyze release unit, analyze debugging. All these things right here that I'm listing off, I believe are kind of newer, on the newer end of that Android 4.0. Signing report, debug dependencies, bundle resist unit. Okay, so I can't test it, but I bet you anything I'm gonna forget my goddamn. Oh god, my signing key. Let's build an APK. Oh fuck. I forgot my signing key. Shit. Okay, so let's see the errors that I get now. It's building it like for real. An APK that we can log into, and then I'll continue the live stream after we install the APK onto my Android device. We'll see if it works. Now, it's not going to look fancy at all. It's going to look like shit. But it'll at least have some stickers and it'll work. It'll be official sticker app that we created. We didn't copy anybody. Hello. Whoop whoop. Merging resources, application processing, debugging, compressing. So the nice thing is that it is really designed to be like a workhorse because it's fixing errors for you. So if you don't know Java, like everybody wants to be a Java developer, and that's great because we need them, and it's a great thing to learn. And if you can learn it, my God, learn it because it can do anything, and it's still the #1 language next to Python. And I'm telling you, Node.js, that is the shit. If I can learn that, woo, we'll be on and popping. It's still doing the Gradle build, which is good. Well, let's just hope it's doing merging native libraries. It's doing a DEX file. It's debugging the DEX. Some recompile with excellent deprecation. Error, found errors because there's deprecation. 5 up to date, build APKs. APK generated successfully. Woo! Hello. Do. We did it, you guys. We did it. Hold on. Hold your horses. Let's see. Let's hear some music for that. It's finished. It finished. It finished. Now you don't see much. But you will in a second. Gotta get some music pumping though. We had success, you guys. Success! Just play some music. Hurry! It's a timing thing. Come on. Don't do all this other stuff. Just play track. Oh, God. It's supposed to just play a track. Oh, here we go. It's playing a track, but I don't hear shit. Okay. So I'm just picking whatever. So look, you guys, here it is. It's all there for you. We did it in 7 steps. But 2 of the steps were removed because the errors we fixed for us. We had to add a dot, basically. We added some stickers, our own stickers. And you can do that even more. So, if you want to see, we're going to generate, I'm going to get the APK in a second. I just want to show you some of the stickers. This is like officially my first WhatsApp sticker app that I created from scratch. Okay. Please don't crash on me. Oh my god, now it's crashing. So these are some of the stickers, you guys, and I got tons. But I've been wanting this to happen for the longest. Okay. Woo! Okay, so we got it builds correctly. It's done, right? Now you see here in the output bottom half of our screen, this little terminal area, which is great. It's like you see all the activity. It says APK generated successfully for 1 module. And I can add more modules, so I can like build upon this and make it really cool. And I plan to do that. So let's locate where the APK is and then put it on our drive. So let's locate it. Hello, you're too slow for me. Okay, so it's opening the folder for us. Here it is. Boom! App debug APK. Stickers master outputs. So what I did was I made a separate folder for where I want outputs to go. But I didn't do it for this particular project, but for my Android Studio projects, because finding the APKs gets really weird if you don't, because if you have it deploy in different folders every time you do APK, it gets confusing. And anyways, it's not the release, it's just a test APK. So here it is. So we're going back to my folders. It's already open. So I'm going to open up my other folder. Oops, sorry. Here's the other folder. Now the reason why I'm doing it like in these folder windows is because I know exactly which drive is which. So the one on the left is like, this is like my computer, and the one on the right is my external drive that I'm working with files with. But it's really could be whatever you want it to be, but this is just where I know the folders are. So I just go to USB drive. Okay, now here's the stickers master zip. This is what we started with. And on the left is the app APK we just created from our first WhatsApp sticker app. But mine is called WhatsApp Sticker Pro. So here's the debug APK. So I'm going to copy that onto my drive. So I'm going to hit like this. Right click. Why is it moving so slow? Come on, dude. For real? And then we'll find out how big it is. So we hit copy. And I'll just, boom, right click, paste. It's on my USB flash drive now. Oh, damn, it is big. How did that app get so big? I'm going to have to try the bundle pack feature. Wait a minute, it's 68 gigs? Damn! Holy shit, WhatsApp sticker app is that big? I know my stickers didn't cause the app to be 90 megabytes. Wow. Okay, we got some work to do, guys. But the good news is we got our first working APK that's going to install. And then you're going to see how really lame it looks and how important it will be to make some more modules, right? So let's hear some music. Let's find one. Why is the colors all weird? I'm just trying to hear some good music. Duplicates of stickers. Great. That's not good. Music off. Goodbye. Get the fuck out of here. You're too distracting. Oh my god. Wait till you guys see my Barbie movie. It's gonna be crazy. Okay, so the emulator, it's not wanting to do Jack Diddley. And it's because of that ham plugin. And I don't have space or room to install it. So we're just gonna turn it off. And I'm going to, well, here, well, fuck it. I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna try my tablet to see if it will actually um if it will work. See, it's saving the state of the goddamn emulator For what? It didn't even power on. Like, I think they're secretly saving copies of my shit on their virtual emulators, is what I think. So I'm going to turn on my tablet and see if we can uh, get it to load on my tablet and see if it will install that way. So I just want to turn this off. Turn this shit off. Close it. So I'm going to go to, I need to go to debugging, debugging, my tablet. I got so many apps that I've been making, modding apps. It's ridiculous. I got like over 30 apps that modified. Some of them are original, some of them are just mod. But damn, I mean, like, I just 1 week, I was just making, and then also I use App Geyser because it's so easy. Okay, so now let's see if it's going to accept my device, and we can do it on my Crackpipe Entertainment group. Okay, so my tablet, it definitely is ready. The plugins are working. That is so cool. But it's not loading up here. App installation okay, we know that it didn't install on the Pixel. Let's get my phone. Available devices. Where is mine? Connect. I did that. It does detect it. I have done it. I have enabled USB debugging. That is all correct. It's on. So why isn't it showing up here? Run on multiple devices. I don't know why this is doing this. I don't know why it's not showing my phone now. Wow, look at that. Found. This is great. This new connection assistant. This is also a new Android thing. This little thing on the, and it's kind of like a Google Assistant. It has, I found 14 USB devices not recognized as Android devices. That's cool. Let me screenshot that. Wow, that's helpful. That means those are like fake drivers or fake people that are logged on to my server and stealing my shit. That's what that means. But that Crackpipe Entertainment Group, that is just a joke, an inside personal joke on based on one of my YouTube channels that's like totally trashy. So anyways, hold on a second, I gotta do something real quick. Dude, this shit is okay. The emulator's back on. Can you maybe work? It's installing. God damn. I need to save this picture real quick to a new folder. It's going to be desktop. It's February now. It's in my February folder. Where is February? Of February Fabulous. And that's supposed to have a different icon. I'm going to save, because every time I just do random stuff, I make a new folder and save it in a new folder for everything. I can't not do that. And I have to do all this color coordinating an icon, like make everything visually like pop out. Otherwise, I can't understand it, or I don't remember it. My dogs, are you guys alive? Hello, wake up! You guys have been asleep for 4 days. Oh, maybe I can't do this here. Yeah, I got too many processes going at once. I just want to do this real quick. Okay. All I wanted to do. Okay, so in February Fabulous, I can save this picture. This is the WhatsApp Sticker Pro image of 14 fake plugins or unrecognized plugins. I mean, with all the VirtualBox shit I do, this doesn't surprise me. Okay, so that's saved. Now let's see what we have to do about all this. Did not succeed. Application cannot be installed. Okay, so we obviously know that there's some. It's not registering my device, and I bet you it has to do with me not having a tools. Okay, let's just read this. HP wide vision camera, Intel wireless Bluetooth, Samsung mobile US modem 3, compile ADB device to a mass storage device 3 times, USB root hub 3.0, install device. If you want to connect the device for testing, I've already done install the appropriate drivers. Okay, next. I've done that. Next. Restart ADB server. Oh, because I don't use ADB shit. I don't know how to do that. Restart the ADB server. Finish. It can't reach the ADB server because I don't know how to sideload ADB shit. Now this it used to be you just plug in your goddamn device and it would just pop up. You'd have your internal storage and your SD. Now there's all this server shit. It's ridiculous. We don't have to verify apps via USB. We don't. It's not recognizing it. Actually, it's doing something because now that area is grayed out. Demons are not running. Da 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 da. Event log. Okay. Emulator is not starting. Can't we just like clear it out and like refresh it? What is this? Cellular virtual sensors. What the? Dude, I don't need all that shit. I just need to fucking have it work. Additional sensors? What? Wow. This is like for hardcore testing. Settings. Enable clipboard sharing. No. Screenshot save location. Why does it have that? No. You should not have my fucking special area. Use detected ADB location. Emulator controls default. Maybe we don't want to use ADB. Maybe we do. What is this? Add secondary display? Yeah. Okay, it's not. Why can't. I don't need location. I just need the shit to turn on. It's not charged. Well, how the fuck is it not charged? So we have a pretend phone that's not charged? Yeah, I just made it full, bitch. Oh my god. Okay, so now, now I can pick my device. Okay, hello. Okay, so now my device is selected. It's allowing the drivers are working. So if I hit the green button, it should attempt to try to play on my device because the drivers are loaded. Run app. Shift F10. Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Now it should do because when I used to do this stuff on my phone, like way when I first started Android Studio 2 years ago, it would just load. The app would load on your phone real easily and fast, no problems. Now I can't even get the emulator to load, let alone the thing to work. Like it's not working. Gradle is still running. But it has my phone up here. It recognizes it, so I turned the ADB thing off. It could be because I have the ADB installed incorrectly. Launching app on my device. Woo! I don't see it, but I'll find it. I have to close all these other apps. No wonder, poor thing. Oh, it needs my attention. Okay, so let's see. Launching app on my Samsung T713. So it's launching the app, but I don't see shit happening. Let's see. Oh, transferring media files. Transferring connect. Maybe we have to switch it to that. Oh my god, it installed? Wait a minute. It installed successfully. I didn't even see it install. Hold on. What is the name of this? It's called APK. What was the name of this app again, you guys? Do you see that? Something is coming on and off of my machine. Unexpected error. Wait. It's called App Debug APK. That's what the name. I have to find it. It said it installed on my phone. Hold on this. ADB shell AM start com WhatsApp sticker com entry activity Android intent action main Android intent category launcher. Unexpected error because I did do something to stop it. So it said it installed. Well, let me just look at it. Let me see if it did install. And then if so, I'll switch my camera preview. Oh god, it installed twice, but with the wrong stickers. God damn it. Today the 11th. So it's working, but it's not. It. Oh. Asset file doesn't exist. What? I don't want cookie sticker. Fuck that. This is not the name of it. It's not called WhatsApp sample sticker. So it installed the app, but not the right package, I think. So there's something that I'm doing incorrectly. So let's Okay, so the driver's there. It's recognizing it. Oh god, I don't have much room either. What the hell? Error launching. Okay, so let's run it again. I don't know what I did wrong. Why is it loading the wrong fucking stickers? I must have to change a whole bunch of code for it to load the right stickers. Because I just did it yesterday. Installed the app and it works just fine. But the stickers are ugly. Launching app on physical device. But I should be seeing that, you guys. I'm talking to you out loud because I should be seeing that as that's happening, but I'm not seeing the actual physical activity happen. And I don't know if it's a plug. It has to do with probably those 14 fake plugins that I have installed because it's doing shit in the background secretly that I can't see. And I took out my SD cards because my physical SD cards are broken. Meaning like the little slide-in thing. God, and I reordered it on eBay for my S10 Galaxy. That from China, that shit doesn't even work. Launching app on physical device. Oh, look. See, look at system UI isn't responding. So it's trying to come on. There it goes. Succeeded. Operation succeeded. Wait a minute. What's going on? I'm getting an error. Asset file doesn't exist. That's okay. Okay, so now we got the phone up and running. Now on my device, I got an error. On this device, let's see what happens. I don't see any errors. Do you see my point? Let's see here. Method public, method public, viewpoint input stage. So let's see what's going on here. I'm just glad the emulator's finally working. But on my device, it's doing it. It did install it, but it installed WhatsApp. It didn't even install the fucking configuration I saved. Okay, I'm gonna see about that. We're gonna have to fix that. It's not installing my it didn't it didn't install my app, my project. And it could be because I have them in the wrong folders. So we have assets 1. Oh. No, that's right. And 2. But it's still called WhatsApp sample sticker app. That's not right. Now it's like disappearing. What is going on? This is so weird. Whoa. Whoa. Now my cell phone's going off. Everything is like acting really fucking weird. Oh, finally, Apple got back to me, thank God. Today's lunch for my husband. Maybe it has to do with this stupid fucking AirDroid server. Dude, failed to start monitoring moments ago. I know that. Because I got somebody interrupted our shit. Okay, we gotta fix this. Something's wrong. There's 2 Javas. What is this shit? Build config? Let's just have one folder and them all in the same fucking folder. That's why it's so big, I think. Let's get rid of the second folder. Maybe that's what I'm going to do. See, I'm getting like, do you see there's like duplicates? I'm getting duplicates running. Why do I have 2 versions of this shit going on? That's what I don't understand. Is it because I have this what is going on with this emulator? I'm just gonna close this app. I don't even want it running. What is wrong with my configuration? Okay, so you see how I have 2? I don't know what that means, you guys. I don't know what that means. And I got an error with the app. Is really lame. Asset file doesn't exist. What are you? You guys are bullshit. And if WhatsApp and you guys are fucking with me and stealing our app at the same time that I'm using it, and you're like make it generate it into your shit, fuck all that. What's going on here? It just saves some more space. It's doing some shit on my tablet that it's not supposed to be. Let's view content. Date. What is going on here? No. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh God, what is up? Why do I have this double shit going on? So let's look at that manifest file. That's why it's called label WA Sticker Pro. Oh my God, oh my God. Zoom in. How do I fucking zoom the fuck in? Is that right? Oh God, fucking, what the fuck? I fucked up. Okay, this is what we have to do. I gotta do that all again. Huh. Where is that fucking... Why is it fucking doing that? Why is it fucking acting so weird? Delete. I'm saying goodbye, you guys. We did it. We'll continue.